Hello good people. Recently I have completed graduation and post-graduation degree from Institute of Social Welfare and Research, University of Dhaka. After completing graduation and post-graduation degree from this institution, I have some self-realization. In this video, I will try to share some self-realization which have I already achieved. According to social work definition, we know that social work is a professional activity of helping groups, individuals or community enhance and restore their capacity for social functioning and favorable to their goal. Here already I have mentioned that I am a student of Institute of Social Welfare, but in Bangladesh others university same subject but their name is different. This name is social work. So there are some difference between social work and social welfare. Social welfare is a well-being activity and social work is a professional activity. But social welfare works for the modern and traditional two sides, but on the other hand social works only works for the modern activity. So we can include social work into social welfare, and at the least we can say that social work is one kind of part of social welfare. And on point of my view, social welfare or social work is a noble activities. A social work works for the school children, a social worker works for the in the hospital. A social work can engage themselves in various types of sectors. That's why it's considered is a noble profession. And when a social works in this sector, a social work have some capability. Without gain this capability, they cannot work in this sector. A social work have to be good listener, a social work will be a good leader, a social work will be a problem solver. When they achieve these types of goals, they can easily works for the problematic person. So a social works for the different sector, not only works for the different sector, they also achieve some skills, and by using these skills they can reach out all the problem. They can build a rapport with the problematic person, and this way they can easily solve each and everything problem who are problematic person.